What's going on, guys? You are in the right spot if you're looking to make fluffy, delicious paleo pancakes. Let us take you on that journey. I'm Bill O'Brien, professional lacrosse player and self-proclaimed foodie. I like to eat.
I'm Briana.
We are going to make our paleo pancakes, super fluffy,
Yeah.
super delicious, and guilt-free.
Yeah, we make these every weekend because I love sweets. So this is our go-to for weekend breakfast.
And that's why you're with me?
That's right. So we've got a half a cup of almond flour, half a cup of tapioca flour, a pinch of organic sea salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. We've also got organic vanilla extract.
Guys, we're gonna link the ingredients down below in the description, but we also have eggs from our chickens, which are awesome.
They're our neighbors. They
Guys,
live outside.
I built the coop. They live right outside. Guys, if you have chickens, comment below and let us know. It's becoming a thing,
Yeah,
chickens.
Up 500% since the pandemic.
People gotta eat.
Yeah.
Hopefully they're not eating the chickens but the eggs, but then eventually eat the chicken.
We're not eating
I
our
know.
chickens. We're only eating our eggs.
Red Delicious apples for the binder. Why do we like Red Delicious? Tell me.
Because they are super moist and they make a really nice homemade applesauce, which is just literally apples and water in a food processor.
You just throw that in the processor,
That's
chop it up,
That's it.
and you got applesauce.
That's right.
Then, last but not least, you pick your topping. I love blueberries,
Organic blueberries
high in antioxidants and phytonutrients,
and delicious.
and delicious. But guys, you could put anything in there. One of your favorites.
Chocolate chips.
She loves her chocolate chips.
Yeah.
I don't mind them. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do first is mix the dry ingredients. So we have,
Half a cup of almond flour.
bam. You didn't like that? Bam.
We've got half a cup of tapioca flour.
Just a pinch of sea salt here.
Nice.
It's aesthetics.
Nice. We've got a teaspoon of baking powder.
So before we continue, we mix the dry ingredients all in there. Now what?
Sure. We are gonna whisk this together
Okay.
a little, combine.
Whisk it real.
Be careful, the tapioca flour.
What's wrong with the tapioca flour?
It likes to go flying.
Only when you whisk it.
Yeah. Next, we can add our vanilla extract.
Oh, I want to do that.
We are gonna add our eggs and our applesauce. Oh God.
Don't be nervous. I'm basically a... Don't mind. That's good. She was right about the tapioca
Oh
flour.
my God.
I thought you were kidding.
Oh, I'm not joking. We do this every weekend, so I know how this recipe goes.
Clearly, I'm not the egg putter in her every
All right.
weekend.
We are gonna add our applesauce.
Applesauce. And guys, remember, it was really just a blended up or processed Red Delicious apple. We've tried a bunch of different apples, but Red Delicious seems to be the way.
It works the best. And just add a little drop of water to your food processor when you need it, if you feel like it's not mixing up.
Oh, I like it. Look at that.
That's
Guys,
it.
and you can also add probably some cinnamon. That would be good.
I love cinnamon. Cinnamon is overrated.
Underrated, not overrated. But I know what you meant. It is definitely underrated. Guys,
Underrated.
this is what your mixture looks like. Now we have started to preheat our oven. We have a griddle built into our oven, and it's actually a stove.
We've actually started to preheat our skillet on our range.
Is that different? I don't know. Either way, let's throw these bad boys on. Guys,
Right.
tell them.
We are gonna use a measuring cup. This is a third of a cup. Just to scoop it, it makes a nice pancake size. We can get 6 on our griddle at a time.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Guys, so we have been preheating the griddle skillet. What is this?
Right. It's a griddle.
We've been preheating the griddle. We buttered it up. Bree, what's next?
So we're gonna take our third cup measuring scooper and just kind of get a nice glob of mix.
Shing.
And now we finish scooping.
Guys, and also when you do this, one tip to make sure they're golden brown on the backside is a 3-minute timer. Once we put all of them on the griddle, we start a 3-minute timer, and then you also start to see the, I guess, bubbles pop on the top. That's how I was always taught. Once the bubbles are popping, that's when you get it, and you flip them. So you're gonna do 3 minutes on one side and then 2 minutes on the opposite side.
One other really important tip, now is when you add your mix-in. So we're gonna add a few blueberries.
These are delicious, guys. I'm telling you, paleo pancakes on a Sunday just hit different.
Make sure you actually get them on.
I guess. Three minutes. Start your watches.
That's right. We are 25 seconds away.
I need my flipper. Guys, I'm going to be honest here. I'm probably the best pancake flipper on this side of the Mississippi. Whoa, what is this?
I don't know about that.
What do you mean you don't know?
These are my pancakes that I usually make. I'm the pro flipper here.
She is? All right, let's see. You want to talk that game? Don't mess it up.
All right, here we go. Go to the back ones first.
Solid flip.
Let's see yours.
Guys, rate this flip.
Do that one. Are you kidding me?
Rate that flip.
His
Who?
pancake just toppled over mine.
You'll get the next one. Comment below, who's the best pancake flipper? Slow and steady never won the race. It's all about speed. Okay. People,
Oh, those are not ready yet.
some people don't even know what's good for them. That is how you flip a pancake, people.
Okay, the next step is setting a 2-minute timer this time.
2.
2 minutes. Here we go.
And guys, just like that, the Paleo Pancakes are finito.
Bill's an Aries. Could you tell?
Are we putting them all stacked
Yeah.
up?
And I am a Virgo. Could you tell? Yes. Nice.
Guys, check these bad boys out.
Got our maple syrup here.
Maple syrup, if you choose to want it. These are actually so good that we don't always use
I
maple
know.
syrup.
Yeah, the blueberries are a nice sweetener.
Definitely a nice sweetener. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and like the video. Comment your favorite part. And if you tried it, we'd love to know. So until next time.
Yeah, let us also know what else you want us to make.
Ooh, I'd like to make chicken parm. Paleo chicken parm over some spaghetti squash maybe.
Oh, so good.
It is so good. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Until next time. Do you have a slogan?
Be pretty
Aggressive.
paleo.
B-E, aggressive. B-E-A-G-G-R-E-S-C-I.
We'll see you next time.
See you guys.